Oh my god. No, Anne-Marie's too hard. Anne-Marie's too hard. Too hard. What's up, you lot? It's your boy MD and I'm back in your area. Today we are going to react to KSI's new song Don't Play, featuring Anne-Marie and Digital Farm Animals. This should hopefully be another banger, as per usual, better than mine. I hope he's done way better than last time. I hope it does well. Yeah, let's get into the video. But before we do that, make sure you hit the like button, yeah, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Road to 500 subs, and turn on post notifications. You can get notified what I do in this channel. And yeah, let's get into it. Oh, okay.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee.
Oh.
Now the feels hit me differently.
Oh.
When the hitting is deep, don't play.
Okay.
Don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee.
Oh.
Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play. Don't play.
I've seen what he's done here. So basically, if you don't know what happened in the KSI video game fight, there's this thing going on where KSI just does like them swings. So I've seen how this comes along with the music video. That's smart. 10,000 IQ at the most. Alright.
We had fun in the 360. I helped you get out UAV. Still could never get you that AT. Sneaking in school just to get by you. I'm obsessed with the sand on you. Coco Chanel on your neck with your body in check. Loving all the time with you. But now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Call me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to ride. No.
Don't play games with my heart.
Okay. What's doing this with Tissue? Going to how do I say it? How's rolling with Tissue going to do anything? So basically, I get what he's doing here. So basically, Anne-Marie's getting bullied in school, someplace else, and then KSI's being the master of the boxing thing, and then teaching her how to fight, or at least defend herself. I mean, it's genius. I mean, I would have done this exact same thing myself if I knew how to fight. Well, properly anyway. So yeah,
Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play. Don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play. Don't play, yeah, yeah.
Chill, my guy. She just kicked freaking DF in the nuts, yo. And then she's trying to reveal his identity, yo. Allow it, man. Yo, allow it.
Do it, yeah. I think I've seen it all before. Seen it all before. Everything you're saying, yeah. I think I've heard it all before. Yeah, I've heard it all before. If you don't give me your time, then I ain't giving you mine. If you're gonna lie, then I'ma say goodbye. Every game you're playing, yeah, boy, I played them all before. And I win them all.
Cause now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Call me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to ride. No.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play. Don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart.
and allow it. Marie, chill. Allow it, man. God. Jesus. Jesus. But I might just get a headache just banging out to this song, you know. Oh, jeez. The kung fu skills. The kung fu skills. Me. Jesus Christ. Oh, my days. That's mad. Yo.
Don't play it.
I'm Marie. Too hard. Oh my, allow it. Nah, yo, what, yo? This is elite. This is absolute elite. This is elite. Yo, this is a bang. This is a banger. Oh my days, this is an absolute banger. Absolute bars, absolute kung fu, and most of all, that kick in the face. Good night. Eh? Good night. And then she just went like this. My nigga, what? But in all seriousness, it was a good song as usual. Probably hit #1 by next week, doubtfully, but who knows. And then some improvements, KSI, if you're watching this. More fast rapping, please. We missed that little boy kind of vibe. More of them rapping sensations, because I actually like them. And visual wise, more sick transitions, because the what do you call it, the simulation trailer was actually the best transitions that you've ever had, if not the Really Love one. Them were good. Use them more, please. But anyways, that's the end. That's gonna be the end of the video. It's clearly what, 15 minutes after the release or after the premiere. So I've just came out of my lessons. Now I've got to go back to my lessons, as I only did this just to react to this, so in case I can watch this. But yeah, so as always, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in a bit. Peace.